Dentistry has been around forever, right? It's one of the oldest medical professions we have. But right now, it's going through this massive, radical transformation, and it's all being driven by artificial intelligence. So what happens when you plug a super smart AI co-pilot into a modern dental clinic? Well, let's find out. Because it's not just changing the game, it's completely rewriting the rulebook.
Okay, but before we jump into all the cool AI stuff, we've got to understand the problems it's actually trying to solve. Because behind that calm waiting room and the familiar hum of the drill, dentists are fighting some major battles every single day.
First up, and this is a big one, is the constant race against the clock. Think about all the administrative work, digging through x-rays, updating patient charts, drafting reports, creating treatment plans. It's this huge time suck that takes them away from what they're actually there to do, take care of patients. Then, you've got this constant shadow of legal risk. The threat of malpractice claims is a huge source of stress for any practitioner. And as we're about to see, the #1 reason for these disputes is probably not what you're thinking. And last but not least, there's the trust barrier. I mean, how do you explain a complex dental issue to someone in a way they can actually understand and visualize? Getting a patient to say yes to a necessary treatment often comes down to bridging that communication gap. And man, that can be a frustrating challenge for everyone involved. So, you've got these 3 huge, deep-rooted problems. How do you even begin to tackle them? Well, the answer isn't about replacing the dentist. Not at all. It's about empowering them with a new kind of tool, an AI-powered second opinion that works at, frankly, unbelievable speeds.
And this is where it gets really mind-blowing. Just look at this comparison. On one side, you have a human analysis. It takes a few minutes, you're relying on the naked eye, and let's be honest, people get tired as the day goes on. But the AI, it's been trained on millions of images, so it's incredibly consistent and totally objective. But the real shocker? It's the speed.
Yeah. Less than 1 second. That's it. That's all the time it takes for the AI to scan an X-ray and highlight every potential issue. Cavities, abscesses, you name it. This isn't just about saving a few minutes here and there. This is a fundamental, game-changing shift in the entire diagnostic process. It just unlocks a whole new world of efficiency. And that incredible speed, that's the key. That's what unlocks the solution to that first huge problem we talked about, that constant race against time. It makes it possible to automate the entire clinical workflow. So, what does this new workflow actually look like? It's actually beautifully simple. An assistant uploads the image, the AI does its thing in under a second, and then the dentist's role completely shifts. They're not stuck doing data entry anymore. They're doing what they do best, using their expert judgment to validate what the AI found. And here's the magic part. Once they hit confirm, bam! All the paperwork, reports, charts, plans, it's all generated instantly.
And right here, this is where the rubber meets the road. Just look at the time saved at every single step. Dental charting, which used to take up to 10 minutes of manual work, is now automated. Treatment planning is immediate. Drafting a report is all autofilled. We're talking about chopping 15, maybe 20 minutes of pure admin work off of every single patient visit.
So what happens when you add all that up over a full week? The result is just staggering. The system frees up more than 6 hours for every single dentist, every single week. That's nearly a full clinical day that's been reclaimed from paperwork. Time that can be put back into patient care, professional development, or heck, just having a better work-life balance. Okay, so saving time is obviously a massive win. But what about that second challenge we mentioned, that constant shadow of legal risk? Well, this is where the system transforms from just an efficiency tool into a powerful digital legal shield. I want you to look at this number for a second. 65%. What do you think that represents? That is the percentage of dental malpractice claims that come from a failure to inform. Think about that. It's not usually about a slip of the drill. It's about a breakdown in communication. It's about failing to prove that the patient was given all the necessary information, including things like alternative treatments and potential risks.
So to combat this, the software has this brilliant feature called the matching module. You can think of it like an automated legal audit. Before a quote can even be finalized, it cross-references every single line item with the validated diagnoses from the X-rays. This prevents inconsistencies and makes sure every single charge is justified and backed by clinical evidence.
And the protection doesn't stop there. It's layered deep. The system automates protection at every level. It instantly shares all reports and plans with the patient, creating a time-stamped digital audit trail. It secures e-signatures on consent forms. And it automatically includes therapeutic alternatives in every single plan,
fulfilling that crucial duty to inform.
And all this seamless instant sharing of information? Well, that's the key to solving that final piece of the puzzle, the patient trust barrier. It's all about creating a transparent digital connection between the clinic and the patient.
And this is done through a dedicated patient app called checkmyteeth.ai. Its purpose is super simple: to give the patient a clear, accessible window into their own oral health, so they can feel more informed and in control of their own treatment journey. And getting started couldn't be easier. A patient just scans a QR code at the clinic, and boom, their app is securely and instantly paired with their file in the clinic system. That's it.
And for that simple scan, this is what they get: a full digital hub for their dental health, right in their pocket. They can see their own x-rays, review reports, and sign consent forms from anywhere. They can access educational materials in over 8 languages to better understand their condition. They can even send photos for remote checkups. That level of transparency, it builds an immense amount of trust.
So, when you put all these pieces together, the incredible speed, the airtight legal protection, and that powerful patient connection, you realize you're not just looking at a new piece of software. You're looking at the blueprint for a whole new era of dentistry.
And the results really do speak for themselves. You're saving over 6 hours of time every week. You're seeing a reported 40% increase in treatment acceptance because patients can finally see and understand their own diagnosis. And you're mitigating the risk behind 65% of all legal claims. It's a trifecta of efficiency, profitability, and pure peace of mind.
Which leaves us with one final fascinating question. If an AI co-pilot can so profoundly transform one of our oldest medical fields by tackling its core challenges of time, risk, and trust, what's to stop this from becoming the new standard, not just for dentistry, but for all of medicine?